Yes. Good evening. Welcome, Sana Ansari from Maharashtra. What is the degree you have studied, Ansari? Sorry, Sana.
Sir, BSc Mathematics, sir.
Actually, why did you choose mathematics, B. Ansari?
सर एक्चुअली सर है ना, जब मैंने 11th में साइंस लिया था तो उस टाइम पे मुझे 10th में 92% थे, तो मेरा जो बेसिक क्राइटेरिया था वो मार्क्स ही था, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ नॉलेज था नहीं करियर के बारे में, और ना ही मेरे घर में से कोई एजुकेटेड था जो मुझे कुछ बता सके इस बारे में। तो इसी बेसिस पे मैंने साइंस ले ली, और मेरा दोनों सब्जेक्ट था, मेडिकल और नॉन मेडिकल। तो मेरा जो इंटरेस्ट था वो है ना नॉन मेडिकल की तरफ ज्यादा था। और सर, जो ह्यूमैनिटी के सब्जेक्ट होते हैं जैसे कि हिस्ट्री वगैरह, ये सब मुझे उतना मैं इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले पाती इस सब्जेक्ट में। और मैथ्स ये ऐसी चीज है जो जिसमें मैं बोर नहीं होती, तो इसलिए मैंने मैथ्स चूज किया सर।
Good. Now you said you have some question, HR question in your mind. Please ask.
यस सर। सर, क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट वुड यू चूज बिटवीन स्टेबिलिटी एंड ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी? वुड यू लाइक टू ट्रांसफर
Mhm.
लाइक दिस?
This is a group discussion topic. Ask. What would you choose between stability and
ग्रोथ
gro-
अपॉर्चुनिटी।
growth opportunities? So, in your case, um, uh, considering you have to say like this, considering my family situation where my father is not having regular income every month because he is doing contract work, I will be interested in taking up a work which gives a stable salary. That's why you want government job, correct?
यस सर।
So though it may not help me in going for getting promotions early, I want stability. You can also state, after joining government service, I may join some online, there is a correspondence courses and try to improve my knowledge. And if possible, I can switch over to some other jobs, which may give me growth opportunities, say after 30 years or so. But initially, I would like to settle now in a government job. But once you join government job, you will not leave that.
यस सर।
Yeah, next question.
सर, दिस वन, और एक सर यही था कि स्टेबिलिटी और पीस ऑफ माइंड दोनों में से इम्पोर्टेंट कौन सी चीज है?
स्टेबिलिटी होने से तो पीस ऑफ माइंड आ जाते हैं। बिना
सर,
स्टेबिलिटी आपको पीस ऑफ माइंड नहीं होगा। इसीलिए आई प्रेफर स्टेबिलिटी एंड ऑल। वंस आई प्रेफर स्टेबिलिटी, ऑटोमेटिकली पीस ऑफ माइंड विल बी देयर। देयर इज
यस
नो
सर।
नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट इट। या, एनी अदर
ओके सर।
डाउट्स? एनी अदर डाउट्स?
नो सर।
Over.
थैंक
Very good. Bharadwaj, do you have any questions, doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what are the type of current affairs shall we expect from the interviewers, sir?
Good. For example, you will have to go through the newspaper of your state. You are in Tamil Nadu.
Yes,
So
sir.
you should go through the current affair news relating to your state. Plus, you will also go through about your district in some any project is coming in your district, any important event is happening in your district, like that. And regarding GK, you must be thorough with the list of ministers of your state and also union ministers. Union ministers, cabinet ministers rank, you must know that thoroughly. This is general GK. Regarding current affairs, newspaper, at least from today, you must go through. And if you cannot go through that, you can follow Affairs Cloud or Bankers Adda or whatever I am providing current affairs snippets and prepare. And in that, mainly you must know about, say, insurance, banking, economy, business. You must be having current affair knowledge about SEBI, Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, You must have fair idea about what is mutual fund. You must have fair idea about what is bank assurance and bank assurance. Likewise, all these things relating to current affairs, any news is coming, you must know that. For example, certainly there will be a question, who is the chairman of our LIC? I think yesterday you told correctly. What is the name?
Yes, Siddharth Mohanty.
Siddharth Mohanty. So Ansari, note it. Sana, you note it. Siddharth Mohanty is the chairman of LIC. Like that, you must be able to tell. Any other doubt?
He is also hold the managing director post, sir.
Is also a MD. Very good. Yeah. Good. Any other question? Doubts?
Sir,
Sir?
major difference between Sensex and Nifty, sir.
Sensex is a Bombay Stock Exchange rates. That is, it is having the average of the top leading 50 shares. 30 shares in Bombay Stock Exchange. It is average price of 30 leading company shares coming from different walks of life, like banking, education, information technology, hospitality, consumer affairs, etc. All these things. But on the contrary, Nifty is average of 50 leading company shares from different walks of life. I think in Bombay Stock Exchange as well as in Nifty, you have different indexes. There is one index for bank shares and all that. But don't get confused. These two will be sufficient for us for the purpose of interview. Could you follow?
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
the points is different day to day, sir.
Yeah, it will differ.
Is 62,000 something, but Nifty is 18,000 something, sir.
Yeah, Nifty is always around 16, 17, 18 only, whereas this is in 60s nowadays.
Okay, sir.
60,000 nowadays. Good. The Sana Ansari is from Maharashtra. She will know everything about Bombay Stock Exchange. Yes, Sana?
Sir, little bit. सर मैंने कभी इकोनॉमिक इतना पढ़ा नहीं और मेरा कभी इंटरेस्ट रहा नहीं इस सब्जेक्ट में, तो अभी प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे ही जितना पढ़ पाई हूँ उतना ही पता है। जैसे कि सब बीएससी का है ना, जो अभी चेयरमैन है वो आई थिंक सुब्रमण्यम रामामूर्ति हैं, और जो अभी आप
बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के लिए अभी SS मुंद्रा MUNDHRA SS मुंद्रा।
ओके सर, मैं अपडेट कर लूंगी आप खुद को।
नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को आई थिंक रामामूर्ति होगा, वो देख लीजिए। नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज चेयरमैन यारपा भरद्वाज।
சார் ஒன் செகண்ட் சார், நான் அப்டேட் பண்ணல சார்.
நோட் பண்ணிருக்கியா?
இல்ல சார், அப்டேட் பண்ணல சார், இப்ப பாக்குறேன் சார்.
सर आई थिंक आशीष चौहान है सर।
सर गिरीश चंद्र चतुर्वेदी सर।
NSE India Board of Directors, Girish Chandra Chaturvedi is the, I will show you this so that people
Chairman
can,
and Public Interest Director.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the link of National Stock Exchange. Here you are seeing this man is Girish Chandra Chaturvedi, is Chairman and Public Interest Director. Then MD and CEO Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Ashish Kumar Chauhan.
Okay, yeah, sir.
This is the thing. Then if for commerce students, they may ask questions like, they will ask, what is the structure of a national stock exchange? How many board of directors are there? Then what are the committees under regulation? What is the mandatory committee? What is the product advisory committee? But not for you. That is only for commerce students and others they will ask. But उतना detail हम लोग का जरूरत नहीं है. Very good. Any other question? Any other doubt?
सर है ना, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस के कौन कौन से टॉपिक पढ़ने चाहिए?
Good question. Very good. बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस में हमने आपको दिया होगा ना,
यस सर, दिया है आपने। मैंने
एक मिनट बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस। अच्छा, have I not given अपरिचित मटेरियल टू यू? इधर में दिया नहीं।
सर आपको नहीं दिया सर, यूट्यूब की लिंक आपने शेयर करी थी और एक फोल्डर शेयर करा था।
इधर में आई हैव टू गिव यू।
Sir, there is only insurance related PDF, sir.
अच्छा, banking is not given. Yeah,
Yes.
I have to give you aparchit. There is a material known as anything, guidely material or something. I must give you 1 minute. Wait, I will try to find out which I can give you. Aparchit banking. Yeah. I think I have to find out from here. Let me search here itself. Aparchit banking. So I have to upload. Just a minute, because it takes time to locate where the file is. Here it must be there. Aparchit material must be SBI CBO September bank promotion test. It is there inside that. Open. Just a minute. Aparchit. Because I am keeping in so many places, I don't know where I have kept what. It is there in our, correct. I will show you. It is there in our Federal Bank folder. 1 minute. 1 minute for 5 minutes. Just a minute for 5 minutes. Federal Bank. Yeah, Federal Bank. I will give you. I will go to this one. Yeah. In that, if I come, you are seeing this material. Aparchit interview. This one I should copy in where 2023, move to or copy to 2023, my files, 2023, LICAO, 2023, LICAO. It is finding difficult. So what I will do now, cancel, come here. I will download. If I download, it will go to my download section. I will come to LICAO. I'll go to files. I will load, download. Under download, it is not coming. It's not coming. 1 minute. Just a minute. Hold on. It is there very much, but I will give it to you afterwards. Don't worry. You just send a message to me. I will forward it to you. Banking, what are the questions they will ask? They will ask you what is banking, what is demand deposits, what is time deposits, then how many public sector banks are there, how many private sector banks are there, what do you mean by RRB, what do you mean by payment banks, then what do you mean by neo banks, then what is savings bank account, what is current account, what is the difference between these two, what is fixed deposit, what is a recurring deposit. This, like this, generally they will ask. They won't ask very deep questions. So what is similarity between banking and insurance, or what is the difference between banking and insurance? What is nomination in banking? Likewise, some common questions only they will ask you. Okay, Sana.
Okay, sir.
I can test it now. Sana, please tell me how many public sector banks are there in our country?
Sir, public sector banks are 21, sir.
12.
Sorry, sir, 12.
There are 12 public sector banks, State Bank of India and other 11 public sector bank. And in fact, today there is news, today there is a news in the this thing. They are telling the government is now thinking of privatization. Government is thinking of privatization. So far, for some days they were telling they will privatize. Suddenly they stopped talk about that. Now they have again started talking about that one. So this is the, are you seeing this on the screen now?
Sir, in budget, the finance minister says there is no privatization for the year.
She told, but now it has come. Are you seeing something on your screen, WhatsApp screen now I have shared? Are you getting it or not?
No, sir,
No,
there
sir.
is NFP in the screen.
You are not getting it. I will show you. I will show you. I will share this to you.
Sir, if indicator ask about privatization,
Dekho. Now this is privatization. Now the talk is going on that government may think of privatizing UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Overseas Bank, Central Bank of India, Punjab and Sindh Bank. The government may set up of course, no decision has been taken yet. What is given here is the government may set up a panel to draw up a fresh list of public sector banks that can be privatized. People aware of deliberations said. The center wants to revisit its bank privatization strategy after state-owned lenders turned profitable and several rounds of consolidation have reduced their number. In April 2021, Niti Aayog recommended privatization of two banks, the disinvestment, the Central Bank of India and Indian Overseas Bank were reportedly shortlisted. A new committee may be set up to identify lenders for privatization, which include mid and small-sized banks, and determine the quantum of the stake sale based on their performance, including their bad loans portfolio, among other parameters. This is what the present news is about. Here, center wants to revisit one mid-sized bank and a small lender may be put on the block. So now the 5 banks are in the news: UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, IOB, Central Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. Which bank has got its headquarters in Chennai?
Indian Overseas Bank, sir.
Correct. Sana Ansari, UCO Bank has its headquarters in which place?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Ram, do you know where is the headquarters of UCO Bank?
UCO Bank,
Calcutta.
Calcutta. Oh.
Bank of Maharashtra, Pune. Central
Pune.
Bank of India, Mumbai.
Right, sir.
Punjab and Sindh Bank, where is it?
Delhi.
I think Delhi.
New Delhi, sir.
New Delhi.
Sir,
Correct.
New Delhi.
So this much for banking. Today, this much will do. Now I will ask questions relating to, say, your insurance. Okay.
Sir, one doubt is, sir, can I ask you?
Go ask.
सर अगर वो ओपिनियन पूछेंगे कि प्राइवेटाइजेशन पे आपका क्या ओपिनियन है तो फिर हमें कैसे हैंडल करना है इस क्वेश्चन को?
Since our government is thinking about privatization, I think it will be in the interest of our economy only. So I also agree with that view. Okay. Then they will ask you, in which case आपको job prospect सब कम हो जाएगा, आपको job security चला जाएगा, what will you do? So even though banks will be privatized, बैंक्स में आपको जॉब सिक्योरिटी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंटली आप बताना है. Then if they can ask you again, how do you say so? This has been our experience so far. Like that you should say. समझ गया?
और सर LIC IPO आया था, तो अगर ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि LIC भी प्राइवेट हो जाए तो फिर आप क्या करोगी? तो
कुछ नहीं,
मतलब
कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो काम करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
मैं तो stability को लेके
नो LIC तो जरूर पूरा प्राइवेटाइजेशन नहीं होगा, पूरा प्राइवेटाइजेशन नहीं होगा. इसलिए चिंता नहीं है. आपको कई बार ऐसा पूछने से क्या करेंगे, आप बोलेगा हमारा कोई तकलीफ नहीं, हम जरूर काम करेंगे प्राइवेट. देन आपको क्रॉस करने के लिए वो लोग ऐसा पूछ सकता है, वाई आर यू नॉट गोइंग फॉर प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक बजाज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, आप क्यों उधर काम के लिए नहीं जाते हैं? ऑब्वियस रीजन इज उधर तलब बहुत कम है. समझ गया?
सॉरी सर, क्या कहा आपने?
उधर में आपको तलब बहुत कम है, सैलरी इज लो.
सैलरी इज लो. ओके.
हम क्यों एक जगह में जहाँ सैलरी कम मिलता है उधर में कम क्यों काम करेगा? हम तो जहाँ हमको अच्छा सैलरी मिलता है उधर ही काम करेंगे. यू हैव एवरी राइट टू से सो. ओके,
ओके सर.
प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय फंड स्विचिंग?
सर मी
या साना अंसारी.
यस सर. सर फंड स्विचिंग की जो फैसिलिटी है वो यूलिप में होती है, यूनिट लिंक्ड इंश्योरेंस प्लान में. इसमें ना पॉलिसी होल्डर को है ना फैसिलिटी दी जाती है कि उसका जो प्रीमियम है उसे कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट किया जाए वो खुद डिसाइड करे. तो फंड स्विचिंग में होता ये है कि अगर पॉलिसी होल्डर ने इससे पहले ना किसी पर्टिकुलर फंड में अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का डिसाइड किया है, लेकिन अब वो उससे सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है या फिर उसकी इच्छा है कि वो दूसरे फंड में अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट करे, तो अभी तक उसने जो भी प्रीमियम पे किया है वो और जो भी फ्यूचर में प्रीमियम पे करेगा वो, ये सारा उसका प्रीमियम जो है वो अनदर फंड में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. इसी को स्विचिंग कहते हैं सर.
गुड, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, who is there online? Mr. Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj,
Yes, sir.
please tell me, what do you understand by mutual fund? What do you understand by net asset value?
Okay, sir. Mutual fund is mainly the fund is invested in the company. It is mutually reinvested in different equity funds, sir. Example, primary is primary fund and a debt fund, like that, sir.
Are you satisfied with your answer?
No, sir, I have not gone through this topic, sir. I only go through set 6 only, sir.
Mutual funds are, say, funds collected by a company from public for investment in shares and debentures of other companies based on the preference of the investors. And if profits are made and income is earned, it is shared as dividend to the unit holders. What is net asset value?
So, sir, I said that I have not gone through this topic only, sir.
Acha. Sana, you know that?
यस सर.
Tell
सर
me.
यस सर. सर नेट एसेट वैल्यू जो है वो एक यूनिट की वैल्यू होती है. एक यूनिट की वैल्यू इन द सेंस, अगर जो पॉलिसी होल्डर का इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसकी जो भी वैल्यू है, टोटल वैल्यू, उसे अगर हम उसके ना नंबर ऑफ यूनिट से डिवाइड कर दें तो हमें एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिट की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. उसी को नेट एसेट वैल्यू हम कहेंगे.
Good, very good. So net asset value, are you seeing on the screen? Sana, please read.
Yes, sir. NAV stands for net asset value. The performance of a mutual fund scheme is denoted by its NAV per unit. NAV per unit is the market value of a securities of a scheme divided by the total number of units of the scheme on a given date.
Bharadwaj, please read.
Okay, sir. NAV stands for net asset value. The performance of the mutual fund scheme is denoted by its NAV per unit. NAV per unit is the market value of securities of a scheme divided by the total number of units of the scheme on the given date.
That is the thing. If net asset value is higher, it is an indication that the fund is performing well. If net asset value comes down, the fund is not performing well. For example, when at the time of investment, the share prices are 2,000, 3,000. Subsequently, that comes down to 1,500, 1,000. Then the net asset value of the fund will come down. Next question, Mr. What is your name? Bharadwaj. Read. Which mutual fund?
Which mutual fund has highest NAV in India? Shall I read, sir?
Please read.
Okay. Equity hybrid debt solution oriented other filter. Scheme name DSP World Gold Fund of Fund Direct Plan Growth. Plan name Direct Plan NAV 20.4808, sir. And Invesco India Invesco EQQQ Nasdaq 100 ETF fund of fund.
But this much we cannot remember. Simply remember DSP World Gold Fund, Invesco India, HSBC Global Emerging. Like that, so many are there. At least first 5 numbers we should know. This is given in moneycontrol.com. I am giving the link in our paid group. You are all member of my paid Telegram group?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there I have.
Name, sir?
Paid Telegram group. I will give the link here. Manage group. I am giving you the link. Invite links. Invite links. I am coming to. What is this? Just a minute. I'm coming. I'm coming to. Oh, here only. I'm coming to chat. I am posting here. Udane copy panniko, Bharadwaj. Please copy this.
Okay.
Copy this. And Ram, if you are also not a member, copy this. Ram, are you a member of Telegram group?
Yes, sir. The paid group only, no, sir?
Paid group only. Only paid group.
Yes.
But if you want, I suggest you people can become a member of a 72020 also. It's a free group. Because there so many members are there in that. 72020. Okay. Very good. What is the time now in India?
7:12, sir.
7:12. Okay. Very good. Because I have given from 7:15 banking. So some people may come. Good. So that is okay. Now we have answered NAV. So accordingly, Bharadwaj, Sana, or what is your name? Ram. You should search in Google about mutual fund and get to know it. Today, I will add that banking material known as Aparchit banking. It would have been given briefly. You please go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Aparchit banking. Sana, please send a reminder if you are not getting it by tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
So मेरा बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस बहुत वीक है, तो अभी मेरा इंश्योरेंस का हो जाएगा ना, तो मैं बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस अच्छे से पढ़ लूंगी.
Very good. Excellent. कोई बात नहीं. Now, now next thing is elements of business. Compare. Achha, please, there can be general question like say, what is income tax? What is GST? Like that. So you please prepare for these things also. Okay. Please prepare for these things also. And now there is one material here. Banco material. I think you must have seen it. This is the material. I have in the folder given to you, Banco material. History of life insurance in India. Then miscellaneous insurance industry, United India Insurance Company and all that. Then AICIL, So what do you know about Agricultural Insurance Company of India Limited? They can ask you. Then what is Insurance Ombudsman? Then what is Principles of Insurance? This I think all of you are familiar. So Ram, you remember these Principles of Insurance? What are they?
Totally 7 principles are there.
Yeah. Uberima Fide.
Okay.
Then principle of indemnity, subrogation, causa proxima, insurable interest. Which one has been omitted? Which two have been omitted here? Bharadwaj. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only are there. There are 2 more, na Bharadwaj. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Principle of contribution, sir.
Very good. And then subrogation also.
Sir, loss of minimization is not there.
Very good. Good. And then here in this material, this 30-page material, these are the 5 needs that life insurance can satisfy. When a person dying young, living too long, disability, care for children, wealth generation, investment. So what it is, I don't know. Then endowment plan, money back policy, whole life policy, term insurance policy. ये सब क्या है? ये सब पढ़ना है. Or you have to go through that. Important points related to general insurance also, you must know. The names of general insurance companies, public sector, Oriental, New India, and then National Assurance, United India. Among them, New India Assurance Company is the topmost, and it is considered as domestically systemic important company. That is, if it fails, it will affect the economy as a whole. So that is the point given. Very good. So this much. So I request you to go through this material also tomorrow when you come, so that I can ask questions from this. Okay, boys. Tomorrow at what time I will arrange the class? That is, tomorrow is 18th May. 18th May. Can you come at evening? Today you came at 5:30, na? Today you came at 6. At what time you came? 6:30, na? Tomorrow 6:30. Some people from LIC, they wanted the class only late night. So I will keep it at 10:30 in the night. LIC AAO. Agreed?
Okay, sir.
Please come at LIC AAO night only. Now the banking class will go. If you want, you can also stay and listen to what is being discussed in the banking class. I have no objection. Ankit Kumar, please tell me. Ankit Kumar, you wanted to ask something?
Good evening.
Good evening. Tell me. Ankit Kumar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I just wanted to ask that only, sir, when this banking, when this interview session will begin.
Yeah. Now banking will start now, right now. Only thing is, what was the GD topic given to you in Federal Bank interview? Ankit Kumar?
Sir, my GD.
Hello?
Sir,
क्या हुआ? Hello?
My GD topic
What
was...
what happened? Your internet is... Where are you staying? I think you are...
Sir, I am in the hostel. I'm trying to connect. Wi-Fi is unstable here.
Oh, that is the reason. Because I thought you are having some stammering problem. You are not able to talk. Huh? It is okay. Doesn't matter. So please go and sit outside the college. Go near some cell phone tower. Uska niche baito. Bilkul. See, if you are going...
Sir, now is it okay, sir?
No, I don't know. If you speak, if I can listen well, that is right. What was the topic given to you, Amit
Sir,
Kumar?
actually, my topic was that you have one, there is a ABC company in which a senior personnel has retired from the post. So now you have to select one candidate for that post. One candidate is there with 15 years of experience. However, the other is a freshers but is highly skilled and is from IIM. Whom will you select, and
No.
what will be
Yeah.
why are you selecting him?
Yeah. This topic we have discussed many times. No problem. That's right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Many
Thank you.
times.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go for discussion about banking. Now is the time where I have to concentrate on questions only and ask, because we have been discussing very many files and all the questions are available in this one, A 2022 Federal Bank interview questions. Now Valarmati, she is not able
Sir,
to.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, I'm not able to talk now, sir.
Acha, some problem. No problem. No,
Sir.
you listen only. No problem. Joe Maria.
Yes, sir.
Joe Maria, you are joining our class for the first time today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your degree, please?
I completed my graduation in mathematics from St.
Whi-
Joseph's College, Devgiri.
Which year did you complete?
I completed this year, sir.
Acha, you are appearing for FCCE.
I am appearing for South Indian Bank.
Acha,
Uh,
you are appearing for South Indian Bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your name?
My name is Jo Maria Joy.
Joe Maria. Maria, please
Yes,
choose. Tell me one lucky number for you from 1 to 30. Choose
Yes,
one.
sir. Okay, sir. 1.
Arey Baba,
Sir.
Maria, why choosing a number this much problem? Am I asking you to decide about your
Sorry,
marriage?
sir. There was a
Marriage.
disturbance.
Am I asking you to decide about marrying some X, Y, Z? Itna
No,
taklif.
sir. Number is 5.
Ah, good. So I am going to page number 5. Page number 5 में page number 5 hereafter only this way we have to do 5 7 this is 5. So you can choose any one topic that comes before your mind, your eyes, and answer me, or I will choose one and ask you. Please tell me, Maria, what is share market?
Sir, I don't know much about it.
What is share market? Bharadwaj, tell me, what is share market? Bharadwaj, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
What is share market?
Okay, sir. It is also known as capital market, sir. The company shares its part of the share company shares in the market, and they will give the dividend to the shareholders after a certain period, sir.
I think a better way of explanation can be there. India share market. What is share market?
It is a marketplace where share of public listed companies are traded.
Correct. Exactly. That's what it is. The share market is a place where the shares of listed companies, because not all the company shares are listed. So company shares are listed in stock exchanges, famous stock exchanges in India, Bombay, as well as NSE, BSE and NSE. So where they are listed, they are being traded, and that is known as stock exchange. Share market, that is stock exchange. Such a process of buying and selling shares is known as share market. Maria, could you follow?
Yes, sir.
I know you cannot follow because you are a mathematics student, but still
Yes, sir.
you must know about this. But for mathematics, if they ask questions, normally they will ask you, which is your favorite subject in mathematics, and which is your favorite subject in mathematics, and then there can be some sub questions relating to that subject also.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Next, somebody else, banking people. Sachin, you are also banking? Yeah,
Sir, for Federal Bank.
Federal Bank. Okay. Now, I will just roll around and ask you some questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Why monetary policy is required for RBI? Why
Sir,
monetary
can I repeat?
policy is required for RBI?
Why monetary policy?
Is required for RBI.
RBI. Okay. Sir,
I think this is
because the monetary,
tell me,
yeah.
do you know the answer for this or you don't know?
Not exactly, but I want to try.
Because when did you join interview program? Only today or yesterday?
Today, sir, my first lecture.
Today only. Oh, first lecture. Then I will ask an easy question for you.
Sir, shall I share this answer, sir?
No, I will ask you. I will ask somebody else. First, for making it suitable for Sachin, I will ask easy question. Sachin, please tell me who is the governor of RBI?
Right now, that's something, don't know, sir.
Bob, if you answer like this, they will not select you. When I asked RBI governor, you should have told me I don't know. That is a better answer than telling right now. If you do like that, what is it? Should not do like this. Somebody wanted to answer RBI. Please answer.
Mr. Shaktikant Das.
Shaktikant Das. Right. Somebody
I
wanted
was
to
also
answer.
told that.
Why
Das.
monetary policy is required for RBI? Who can answer this?
Monetary policy is needed in order to control the inflation and also the growth, to achieve the growth of the economy along with sustainable development.
Excellent. Who told this?
Sir, Ankit, sir.
Ankit, good. Ankit, what is your degree?
Sir, I did bachelor's in agriculture, and right now I'm pursuing master's in genetics and plant breeding.
Acha, acha. Very good, very good, very good. So you told nicely about that. Then Ankit, can you take the next question?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Please sell this smartphone. Please sell this smartphone. You can give your own imaginary name for this. You can give your own imaginary features, but try to sell it. We all should buy that immediately from you.
Okay, sir. So, sir, basically in